Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 11th of March, 2024. Benchmark indices ended lower on March 11th with Nifty below 22,350. At close, the Sensex was down 616.75 points or 0.83% at 73,502.64, and the Nifty was down 160.80 points or 0.71% at 22,332.70. Top losers on the Nifty were Tata Consumer Products, Power Grid Corporation, Tata Steel, Bajaj Auto and SBI, while gainers included Apollo Hospitals, Nestle India, CIPLA, SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Finserv. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of GENSOL Engineering Limited slumped 9% to 911 rupees in the afternoon on March 11th, even as the company bagged an order for a 70 megawatts, 140 megawatt-hours out of 250 megawatts, 500 megawatt-hours standalone battery energy storage systems project. This project is expected to contribute 450 rupees crore to GENSOL's revenue throughout the contract. However, the specific timeframe of the contract has not been disclosed by the company. The project will be developed by GENSOL under a tariff-based global competitive bidding model to provide energy storage capacity to Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited in Gujarat on a demand basis. Shares of NLC India surged nearly 6% on March 11th on the NSE as the company's offer for sale opened for retail investors. The issue will close at 3:30 p.m. and the sale is being conducted on a separate window of the stock exchanges. The floor price for the issue is set at 212 rupees per share. The face value is 10 rupees per equity share. Through the OFS, the government proposes to sell up to 6.93 crore equity shares or a 5% stake in the state-run company with an option to sell an additional stake of up to 2% or 2.77 crore shares in case of oversubscription. CIPLA shares surged 2.5% in trade on March 11th to touch a fresh lifetime high of 1,519 rupees apiece, extending its rally. So far, in 2024, shares of the pharma major have jumped over 20%, as against a 3% rise in the domestic benchmark index, Nifty 50. Nuvama Institutional Equities, a domestic brokerage, noted that currently, CIPLA is aiming to transition from a pure-play pharma company to an integrated health player. It is increasingly engaging with startup ecosystems to invest in different areas of oncology, obesity, mental health, wellness, genomics, etc. The company sees significant growth opportunities and is thinking beyond the pill by working on various aspects, i.e. pill, nutrition, clinics and digital, said Nuvama. This is likely to provide a leg up to its consumer health business. Shares of Torrent Power rallied 12.5% to hit all-time high of 1,287.5 rupees per share after the company bagged 306 megawatt solar project in Maharashtra for 1,540 rupees crore. So far this year, the stock of this power company has soared over 30%, as against 0.9% rise in the benchmark Sensex. In an exchange filing dated March 7th, Torrent Power said it received letter of award, Low A, from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company to supply 306 megawatt solar power under Mukhyamantri Saukrushi Vahini Yojana 2.0 scheme for feeder-level solarization under PM KUSUM scheme. Shares of Tata Chemicals nosedived over 10% on March 11th following reports that Tata Sons IPO, which was being seen as a value booster for the firm, appeared increasingly improbable in the foreseeable future. Tata Chemicals stock rallied 36% in the week gone by as reports of IPO of several Tata Group firms' parent company gained traction. Reports now suggest that the conglomerate is considering various avenues to adhere to the Reserve Bank of India's norms. The stock has jumped 27% in just 1 month, outperforming benchmark Nifty 50, which has gained 4% during this period. Ashima Limited in daily time frame is trading around 22.15 points with a change of 14.18% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.0 for 6 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 20.74, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 55.37. Godfrey Phillips India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 3,637.05 points with a change of 10.28% and is trading with a net volume of around 774.893 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 3,156.08, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 89.56. Varanium Cloud Limited in daily time frame is trading around 72.70 points with a change of 9.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.53 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 69.85, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 38.32. For the stock recommendation we have, Colgate-Palmolive Limited looks good and can be bought at 2,607 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 2,537 rupees and a target of 2,683 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.